Welcome back, dear students. This is Mr. Adnan and this is Connect 6, Unit 10, Part 1. And before you start watching this video, make sure you have finished your homework. First question, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the person who tries to do something and does it is successful. Number 2, if something is space, it happens and it's true. If something is real. Number 3, birds live in nests. Number 4, when two things are space, things they might look the same and do the same things. When two things are similar. Number 5, space means a good idea that someone has thought about carefully. It is sensible. Number 6, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Number 7, space is a well-known phrase about something which is generally true. It's proverb. Number 8, birds of a feather flock together. After that, read the text and answer the question. Malak and Angie are talking about proverbs. Malak explains that proverbs have more than one meaning. Angie asks Malak about the proverb, the early bird catches the worm. Malak says it has two meanings. First, a bird that is early or the first to try to catch a worm usually catches it. It also means that to be successful, you need to be the first to do something. Malak shows her another proverb, birds of a feather flock together. She explains if they flock together, they stay in a large group. And maybe it mentions feathers because they all have similar feathers. That means similar people like doing the same things. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, this text is about proverbs. Number 2, the underlined word large is the opposite of small. Of course, small. Number 3, proverbs have more than one meaning. Number 4, what can a successful person do? To be the first to do something. Number 5, what does the proverb birds of a feather flock together mean? If they flock together, they stay in a large group. The third one, put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Number 1, we have make before don't plans is something real. The sentence will be don't make plans before something is real. Number 2, count your chickens, don't hatch they before. Sentence will be don't count your chickens before they hatch. Number 3, catches worm the early bird the. The sentence will be the early bird catches the worm. Number 4, flock of birds together a feather. Birds of a feather flock together. Number 5, make before something don't plan real is. The sentence will be don't make plans before something is real. And this is a repeated question. Number 6, count before your don't chickens hatch. This is hatch they. And this is another repeated question. Number 6 and number 2. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Number 7, don't singing birds. This is birds. Nests build. The sentence will be singing birds don't build nests. After that, choose the correct answer. Number 1, we can go space in the mountains during ecotourism vacations. We can go hiking. Number 2, you must be space in the natural environment. You must be careful. Number 3, space is a place in desert where there is water and plants. Of course, is oasis. Number 4, wildlife watching is space for people who respect nature, is ideal. Number 5, people can go space in the Red Sea. People can go snorkeling. Number 6, space means perfect or excellent, ideal. 7 is a way of traveling that doesn't damage the environment, ecotourism. Number 8, on ecotourism vacations, we always stay in a simple accommodation. Number 9, ecotourism is more space than traditional tourism, is more sustainable. Number 10, you mustn't get too close to birds. They might fly away. Number 11, people who go bird space in Egypt will have a lot to see, bird watching. Number 12, ecotourism is designed to space nature, is designed to protect nature. The second question, read and complete the text with the words in the box. We have colored, plain, fish, beach, mustn't. I am Laura. We are going to have the chance to do some underwater photography on our vacation. We will set off on a tour from the beach in small boats and sail out to places where we can see many different kinds of fish. There are beautiful, bright colored fish there, as well as coral reefs. The tour is only on Monday and Wednesday because this is a protected area, so there space be too many trips. There mustn't too many trips. The third one, read the text and answer the questions. Egypt is an amazing country. There are many historical places to visit as well as stores, markets, and museums. People can go snorkeling in the Red Sea, go on a desert safari, climb mountains, or sail Nile. So tourism is important, but ecotourism is becoming very popular too. Ecotourism is a way of traveling that doesn't damage the environment. It is more sustainable than traditional tourism, and it's designed to protect nature. People stay in simple accommodation, not large hotels, and they mustn't travel in ways that cause lots of pollution. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, this text is about ecotourism. Number 2, the underlined word sustainable means sustainable to the environment, of course, friendly to the environment. Number 3, when you go to the Red Sea, you can go snorkeling underwater. Number 4, what is ecotourism? Ecotourism is a way of traveling that doesn't damage the environment. Number 5, Egypt is an amazing place for vacations. Explain. People can go snorkeling in the Red Sea, go on a desert safari, climb mountains, or sail Nile. The fourth one, put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Number 1, we have important, respect, it's to nature. The sentence will be, it's important to respect nature. Number 2, mustn't, birds, we scare the. The sentence will be, we mustn't scare the birds. Number 3, trash, leave, we on mustn't beaches. The sentence will be, we mustn't leave trash on beaches. Number 4, cook under, we will the meals stars. The sentence will be, we will cook meals under the stars. Number 5, mustn't trash, we in leave desert that. The sentence will be, we mustn't leave trash in the desert. and this is could be a repeated question, number 5 and number 3. Number 6, watching in people go bird Egypt. The sentence will be people go bird watching in Egypt. Number 7, to respect ecotourism, a good is way nature. The sentence will be ecotourism is a good way to respect nature. The 5th one, read and write the correct form of the words between brackets. Number 1, you space mustn't respect wildlife. Of course not. You must respect wildlife. Number 2, you mustn't space walking. Of course we know when we have must or mustn't, we add verb infinitive. So walking, it will be walk in the desert when it's hot. Number 3, you space mustn't respect. This is a repeated question. Again, you must respect nature. Number 4, I mustn't space scaring. No, scare birds or animals. Number 5, you space must throw trash in the river. You mustn't throw trash in the river. Number 6, we mustn't space eat in the library. We mustn't eat. Verb infinitive. Number 7, you must, of course, again, verb infinitive. You must listen to your teacher in the class. Number 8, they space can play on the crosswalk. Here is we can say they cannot play on the crosswalk or they mustn't play on the crosswalk. Both of them are correct. Number 9, Ahmed space mustn't be careful while crossing the road. Of course not. Ahmed must be careful while crossing the road. Number 10, you must brush your teeth. No, you must brush, verb infinitive, your teeth before going to bed. The last question, punctuate the following, and this is the easiest one. The letter L, it will be capital letter, and we put a period at the end of the sentence. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, inshallah.